Hello guys, in this video we are going to know about how to create stunning view of nature like this. So guys, if you still not subscribed to my channel, please click on the red color subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get all our notifications. Without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. First thing is you have to install this app available in Play Store, also link will be given in description. Now open the photos. Select the photo which one do you want to edit. Now share this image to the PicsArt application. Yes, now the image is in PicsArt application. First thing is you have to adjust the composition of the image by cropping. After it done, click on the right mark. Next thing is you can increase the image details by magic tool. Then we are moving to the sky tool. This is very interesting tool in this application. Here you can change the sky just by a single tap like this. Here many skies are available. You can choose which is better to your image. I am going through this. Now adjust the sky position. After adjusting the position, just click on the right mark. Next thing is let us move to the overlay. Here also many overlays available here. You can choose which is better to your image. Now I am going to select this and decrease the capacity of this overlay. Then click on the right mark. Next, let's move to the adjust tool. Here many options available. You can adjust your image like this. After finishing, click on the right mark and click on the export button. Share this image to the PicsArt application by share and select the PicsArt application here. Click on that. Yes, now the image is in PicsArt application. Now let us create some amazing view by adding stickers. Now select the stickers here. Go to the search bar. Here search for birds. Here so many birds available. You can select anyone. I am going through this. Adjust these birds near the trees and click on the right mark. Next thing is you have to search for rainbow. Type rainbow here. And select the suitable rainbow. Adjust this rainbow in your image. It gives a perfect look. After adjusting, erase the rainbow on the foreground by tapping erase. After finishing, click on the right mark. Now the view is looking amazing. Then save this image to your gallery. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe and hit on the like button.